this week on What's Cooking with Carolina Cooker. For recipes, visit carolinacooker.com.
All right, so we've got a beautiful day here for grilling. So we got our Carolina Cooker BBQ grill out. We're gonna cook some chicken wings and we're gonna make some fries. We got our Carolina Cooker fry cutter and our 2-basket fryer. So y'all hang tight. Good chicken wings are coming at you. All right, I'm just gonna put my favorite seasoning on these wings pretty liberally, and we're gonna get them put on the grill. So our oil's up to about 325. I'm just gonna get me a couple handfuls of these fresh cut fries that we cut with our Carolina Cooker fry cutter. Set them down in here. So our fries are floating, which means they're done. And the secret to good fries in the backyard is Lowry's. And not just Lowry's, but Lowry's as soon as they come out. You cut that on there where it gets good and soaked in. Oh Lord. Get these others dumped in here. And our chicken wings are about done as well. Pure nastiness right there. All right, so these wings are about done. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my sauce that I make. I'd tell y'all what's in it, then I have to kill you. So I'm gonna paint these wings with a little Tiger's family, not family, famous sauce. Then we're gonna turn the heat up on them, kind of get them crispy. I like my wings crispy. People say you can't get crispy fries on the grill. Stand back and watch. So we got our wings done. I brought my lid to my new 10-inch cast iron pot out here, and we're just gonna put them on there, stack them up real nice and neat. I'm not gonna pull all of them because I want to sort of keep them warm. The way we do it at my house is just pull a few. Some of these on this side will have sauce and the ones on the other side will not. And so we'll pull a few, and then we'll turn the grill off where it's still got heat in it, and take our deal and set it up there, and it keeps them sort of warm. So we're gonna eat these things up. I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes because they're extremely hot. I've already got a blistered tongue, so just hang tight. All right, so our wings has cooled off a little bit here. And you know you've done a wing right when you do that right there. The Carolina Cooker BBQ grill and the 2-basket fryer does a fine job. That ain't nothing but meat right there. More recipes like this, visit carolinacooker.com.